What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be answering questions from the comments. I'm always getting questions about wash tests. So majority of the things I do are obviously sold to customers, and I have things that I print for myself, like my own shirts and everything that I could show you from different companies I got. And all these shirts that I'm about to show you are 10 plus washes. So I put my clothes through the dryer, washer, dryer. Some of them I'll hang dry, but most of the time I put my stuff through the dryer like pretty much any guy does. So I'm gonna get right into it. Real quick video to explain to answer the questions of people asking me about wash tests. So the first one I'm gonna go with is, I'm gonna use even some beat up ones. So let me see here. I got two of them actually that I wear all the time. This is TKO Transfers. This is my business shirt. Front and back, I wear these all the time. Obviously, wash them, dry them. So most of these I don't even dry inside out. I just throw them right in the dryer. Still holding up. See if I can get that up in the camera. Same thing with the front, still holding up. This is a TKO Transfer, single color, active sport. And just to prove that one, I have another one, different hoodie. Same thing, front hit, back hit. Same thing with the transfer, still holding up. These hoodies alone. I know these hoodies, I wear them to work. I wear them, just around the house. I wear them doing stuff around the house. Them hoodies alone have probably been washed over, I'd say already 25 to 30 times, easy. Even more, but I'm just gonna keep it low, just a low ball for them. I got a shirt here that's from when I started making t-shirts. We're talking 3 years ago. This one I wear all the time, work shirt, work outside, cutting the grass. This thing's been through the ringer. Still to this day, this is Transfer Express Transfers. And there's cracking now and everything. This has been washed over easily 100 times. And the transfer is still on the shirt. And it's like any shirt. It's got its cracking now. It's gonna crack. The thing's been worn, washed, dried, laying out. It's been everywhere, and it has its cracks in it now. Just like any shirt, wear over time. It's literally, the shirt is just a junk shirt now. And I put this on here. You could even go back to my old videos and probably see me. I probably did a video of putting this transfer onto this shirt. Probably a year ago, 2 years ago, whenever I did this. This shirt has been washed over 100 times easy, and the transfer is still on it. And I mean, I beat these shirts. Even before I'll offer something to a customer, I wash test and beat the hell out of these transfers before I will even offer them to somebody. So this is, like I said in the one video that's back, I'll leave links to these videos, is I use all different companies, whatever is working for me, and I use the ones that I need to get orders out. I also use them for myself. So the next one people have been asking about is, I did this one a couple videos back, probably I'd say a couple months ago. This shirt has been washed over, I want to say easy, I'm doing it on a low ball, 15 to 20 times. Washed, dried, and this is Ninja Transfers, DTF. It's not even cracking yet. You can see it. And this is a full print. And this shirt, same thing. Been washed, dried. I even grabbed this one out of the dryer for this video. That is Ninja Transfers. Let's see another one I did back in the day. And these are ones that I told people that if you're just trying out to go to these sites. This is one from Pro World. I did this back in the day. This is probably the same thing. Been through about 50 washes. And this is Pro World. This is just one of them transfer companies that sends you transfers. Still, it was already distressed when I got it. And it's still, to this day, still holding up. Washed, dried, everything. I beat the hell out of these shirts. I wear these shirts outside, doing, housework. Let's see, we got another one here. These are all companies I still use. Another one right here, I did this for a customer, but this was a mess up. And I kept this one for myself. It was also a junk shirt just to wear around. The front, you got your Kraken. This has been washed over 50 times. Smaller lettering. This is Plastisol from Transfer Express, but still 50 times. Transfer still on the shirt. What's on the back here, it's got, you could see where anything, and I work a physical job, so these things are getting beat up when I wear them to work. But this is over 50 washes on this one. Then I got Flash Custom Transfers. I did this one back in the day. This one's same thing. Probably at least 20 washes, 20, 30 washes. Still no cracking in the transfer. It's got its beat up just from me beating on it. Still no cracks in that. Same thing with the front one. If you guys could see that. And this is over the same thing. This is tons of washes, dryer, and I don't even fold them. I don't put them inside out. I just throw them right in the dryer the way they are. And then for my last shirt here, I have Sublimation. This is the Sublimation with, I want to say I did this one. I did this one with Cosmos ink off my Sublimation printer. Same thing. Tons of washes and dries. Color's still holding up in it. You can see it there. No fading of it, anything. Still wear these. These are all my company shirts or business shirts that I wear. Or shirts that I wear to work. The Ninja Transfer one, that's one that my girlfriend wears. And that's just her, beat up shirt, just a funny shirt I made for her. And these are all shirts that have been washed, dried over 15 times. So it just, I wanted to get that, to answer everybody's questions about wash test. I wash all the transfers that I use from every company that I use before I even do it. And if you're starting to do t-shirts, I still feel the same thing as I tell everybody to do: order sample packs. Go out there, get these sample packs, and even just their sample packs, throw them on a shirt, throw them in the wash, beat the hell out of the shirts, and test them out for yourself. Do stretch test on them, everything like that. So all these transfer companies I use, the transfers hold up and they wear out with the shirt. And that's the, the goal I'm going for. These transfers aren't going to last forever. The shirts aren't going to last forever. So that was just a quick video for you guys of the companies that I use, which was TKO, Flash Custom Transfers, Ninja Transfers, Transfer Express, and Cosmos Inc. And the other one was Pro World. That was one I got back in the day. They have the pre-made transfers. So I just want to do a quick video for you guys on the wash test I do on these shirts. So if you guys would like, comment, subscribe, and I'm going to keep coming out with more of this t-shirt content. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, peace.